she gon' shake it for them blue hunters. Take her home, she gon' do something. She gon' shake it for them blue hunters.
What's up, kid? What's up, kid gang? What's up, kid gang? Care family, I am back with another video.
Connected.
Anyway, so I'm going to be going to homecoming. Homecoming was low-key planned like last minute because I wasn't about to go, but I'm going now. So right now I'm about to fix my hair, listen to music, bop, you know, you feel me? So yeah, don't forget to follow my social media. They'll be in the description box down below. Don't forget to comment #Carrie to get a shout out in my next video. You feel me? Today's video shout out to these people right here. So yeah, if you guys want a video shout out, come on to Carrie and you get a shout out.
Young nigga, rich nigga, I'm a bad bitch. You're a fuck nigga, hoe nigga. I don't fuck with broke nigga. Post, you ain't know, now you know, nigga. I take off,
wake up!
Bitch, run me my sack before I come. $80,000 plus a check on my back. And 20 twins finna get plucked like a chicken brother locked up. He spent much time in my neck to my water than a name. I was
get ready.
Bitch, my nigga, then I got lazy. I saw your new watch, that shit cool, but my shit crazy.
It's fake hills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust.
I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy can't get no love from me. Heading from the passenger side, the best friend side, trying to holler at me.
Another nigga, I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Cause you are what see me brain. The only special one for me.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me.
Never been the one to RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some haters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm on the most Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charge around a minute cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be with a boss to be judging from my body. Cause they in my energy, stack the paper.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pon me ya, say she give me pon me ya. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, say me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me feel.
Yeah, got that dope.
Ice water, turn it ready. Drop the roof, more expansion. Drop the coupe, pick his mansion. Bitches undercover. Guess we on it for the trouble, $900 free. Maybe out of these streets. Keep do it, keep popping for you. Pull up with a demon on guard.
The coupe is retarded. With my car fit. Don't gotta start it. I'm back on that bullshit. Okay, train sipping, train switching. I done brought my gang with it. Money coming in my life. I might stack that coupe. No big before she go.
Alright, so here's the makeup situation. So I basically have the makeup that I'm going to be using in here. The makeup I'm not using here. The lippies I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using this eyeliner, this, so basically most of everything in here, so that's why I didn't organize it. And then for my brushes, I had them sectioned off, like the brushes I'm going to be using for my eyeshadow and stuff like that. And yeah, and here are the palettes I'm going to be using. So yeah. Alright, so I already moisturized my face when I came out the shower. So I'm gonna prime my face with this e.l.f. Poreless face primer. I'm gonna do something new. It's kind of like, it's bad that I'm trying something new last minute, but like, yeah. Okay, so I heard that to make your face stay longer, like your face makeup, to put some setting powder on afterwards. So let's do that. So I'm not gonna put a lot, just some.
Said let me the villa one, said she give me feel my one. Mother one said she give me for me your sit. Enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one.
The brush that I use to blend in all my makeup is this big old brush. I'm gonna use it to remove this, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll get back with y'all. Alright, so I look ashy, don't mind that, but look, I had got my eyebrows cut and I'm just like obsessed, so.
This is like a different skin color.
Oh, look at my eyebrows.
What still you doing?
Look at my eyebrows.
The background, man.
So, we done with the brows. My eyebrows down. Okay, so now I'm just about to gel them down because they're kind of crazy. And blend it. Blending with the brush right here. If you're wondering, I use this Truly Matte by LA Colors. It's so bomb. It's a foundation, but I use it for my eyebrows.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
Now we about to go with the foundation. You wet my beauty blender. Yeah, nice and damp. And I'm going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is really good and Conceal and Perfect, so you don't really need a lot of the foundation because it's just bomb.
Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
But we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about them. Bad man, what you say? Standard.
Now I'm gonna go with the Black Radiance and basically use this as I like to use both of these because this one's a little bit too cool and this one's warm and it's just right.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor.
I like it. cute. Okay, now we're gonna go into the eyeshadow look, and then for that, I'm gonna be priming my eyes with this concealer the eyelid.
Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she run another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that.
I'm gonna just wait for it to like dry. I'm not gonna set it because more product will stick onto it if you don't set it. So I'm gonna just wait a little bit, you know, probably like 2 seconds. Now with the Beauty Glazed palette, I'm going to be using this color right here. I'm almost about to hit pan on it and put it on the outer.
Way you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you dey mash up the place. Enter me radar, cause you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me.
Now I'm going to sort of be doing an ombre, and I'm going to be, this is from LA Colors. It's the nude palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here in the middle here. And we're just going to pat it on. We're not going to rub.
Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Can you feel up my fantasy?
Now we're gonna go back into the Beauty Glaze palette. I'm gonna get the shade Maze right here and use that for the inner corner. So I did the other eye off camera. I'm basically going to do the rest of my face. I'm basically going to bronze and highlight, and I'll get back with y'all when I'm done. So you guys, I'm done with the makeup look. I need to go outside so you guys could see just a little bit better. But like, I just added on my earring, and yeah, I'm about to go outside and take some pictures. And I'm about to lotion up. I'm gonna just show you guys this set that I got though. If you get this lotion if you're in Victoria's Secret anytime soon, with the matching perfume. It smells so good. Honestly, get it. So yeah, we better go take pictures.
Don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little
Won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey.
You used to call me on mine.
You can't even see yourself. Wait, I need to put the flash on. Let me put the. Go dark person, go. Wait. I can't see you. Equation. Yes.
Girl, I wanna see you twerk. I throw a little money to twerk. I don't really think you can twerk. Twerk. If you broke, go to work. Make that big booty twerk. Make that big booty twerk. Can I touch that booty?